After Hamster KOMBAT dramatic listing causing a lot of disappointment to airdroppers, market on this very token is coming back down. We have retracement downward, retracement, market coming back down. Is this market going to come all the way to the downside, or we're going to see market from here move upward? So Hamster KOMBAT price prediction, very important. And also Bitcoin is about to make a dramatic move upward after a breakout of this very level of resistance coming very soon, and you need to prepare yourself. Pepe is also about to make a dramatic move all the way to the upside, and we need to be in this position. Dogs is going to move from here because it is underpriced right now. All of these price prediction and technical analysis in this video, so watch this video to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you are still holding dogs or Pepe, comment below in the comment section of this video. And right now, if you look at Hamster KOMBAT, market is coming all the way to the downside. And from what we know, technically, market is coming back down here. We have retracement right here, creating a lower high, market come back down, lower low, come back up again, lower high, and is moving down, creating sequential level of support. And that is what we can find on this very chart. But notwithstanding, if you look at this very chart right here, and you look at the Fib retracement tool from this very point where the market was listed to this very point where we see the market close, it is called that the market have retraced 50%, which is a very good retracement for every token. Now, the market have capacity of coming back down a little bit, in my opinion. From this technical outlook, I am looking at market coming back down a little bit into this very price level of 0.618. So from this area of 0.618 on the Fibonacci retracement tool, that is where I am expecting this retracement to stop before the next move upward. So from here, market move upward and then retracement back all the way to the downside. Market is going to begin to move upward very soon, but we need to see a further drop a little bit downward into this level of 0.618 on the Fibonacci retracement tool. Then from here, market is going to move upward, and that is what I am expecting right now on this very Hamster KOMBAT USDT chart. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now, so that you better position yourself for market moving upward from now henceforth. Bitcoin is about to make a historic move all the way to the upside. Look at it here. We have this 1 week chart BTC USDT. Market is moving up right here. And if you look at this point of important resistance, once we see the market break this very level of important resistance, then we're going to see a very dramatic move on Bitcoin all the way to $100,000, and that is what I am expecting right now. Once you see a breakout here, market is going to go up to $100,000 before we see the next retracement in the market, before the market to move again to $150,000. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. This is the 1 week chart BTC USDT. Now, if you look at what has happened in the past, look at it here. Market on this very price action move all the way to the upside from this very point, and at that time the stochastic RSI enter into oversold condition. So from oversold condition at this very point, market begin to move upward. Look at it here. Market move all the way upward after oversold condition. And that is exact same thing we have right now on this very chart. And that is why you need to pay attention to this chart very well. Look at it. Market enter into oversold condition all this very area and could not move upward. But right now, market is out of oversold condition and it is at the 50% line right here on this very indicator, as you can see right now. But if you look at this, market is just starting this very move all the way upward, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now, because market moving from here to this very point, and when that breakout occur in the next few weeks, market is going to have that dramatic move all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to, because when markets make this very move on Bitcoin, every other market is going to make a significant move with it, and the market is going to explode all the way upward. Another important thing you need to pay attention to on the BTC USDT 1 day chart. For on the 1 day chart, market have created another new high. Look at it here. Market move from this very point of important support. So from support, we have this impulsive move. Market retrace back down, make another impulsive move which is higher than the previous high right here. So market created a new high which we call higher high in technical analysis. So from this very point, market still have capacity of moving up a little bit, maybe creating a new high higher than this very high right here. Then we're going to see that retracement come into the market. So what I am expecting right now on the 1 day chart is for the market to make a gradual move upward, and then we should see retracement. So from where the market is right now and this very point of $70,000 and $71,000, we should expect the market to retrace before continuation again in the next coming days and weeks. I don't expect Bitcoin to come back down to $53,000 at this very point, or come back down to this very area of $49,000. That possibility is there, but that is not what I am looking at right now from this technical outlook, and that is also what you need to pay attention to and keep your eye on moving forward. Pepe USDT 1 week chart. Pepe is one of the main coin that you can get into your portfolio no matter how small it is in this very bull market, because the next move is about to come in right here from this very point of important support right at this area to the upside. Market is going to move up. I'm going to show you that in a moment. Look at it here. What happened to Pepe in the past on this very chart is from this very area, we see the market come back all the way to the downside. If you look at this, market move all the way downward, and from here, this very area is oversold condition. So from oversold condition, market begin to move all the way to the upside, and we see this significant move upward and before retracement, which is very, very important. Afterward, market have a significant move on Pepe all the way to the upside. So after that oversold condition, market move out of it, and then we see a drastic move on Pepe all the way to the upside. Then the next time we see market at oversold condition again is this very area, and market is just coming out of the oversold condition. What do you think is going to happen from technical analysis? So from here, market is out of oversold condition, moving upward, which means market have high capacity of moving all the way upward on the long term, because this is 1 week chart, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now if you are holding Pepe, or if you are considering buying Pepe as one of your main token in this very bull market. So market is going to from here move upward on Pepe, and the same thing is going to happen on this very price chart. Market is going to from here move all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now. So the best time to buy Pepe is where the market is right now. Don't expect the market to go below this very price level. The possibility is there the market can crash all the way to the downside, because anything is possible in crypto, because it is a very volatile market. And what I am expecting is for Pepe not to go below this very area. In my own opinion, from this technical outlook, market should from here move all the way to the upside. And by the way, I have taken a long position on Pepe from this very price point, and I'm going to leave this till next year, because I believe that market is going to move all the way to the upside on the long term. Okay, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now on Pepe, because market is going to move upward. So getting some Pepe from this very point of important support mean that market is going to move upward, and it's a best price to get Pepe right now, and the best zone to get Pepe right now, and it is also very, very cheap. The 1 day chart, Pepe 1 day chart, which is also looking very, very good, is market is going to move upward. I am looking at market moving upward from this very price action. If you look at this price action right here, market is moving upward already, and that is what you need to pay attention to. From this very point of important support, market move upward. We have retracement here, and the market is moving upward. The only thing that can happen on the 1 day chart is a little drop down before the market is going to move upward again on the 1 day chart. But on the 1 week chart, we're going to see that consistent move all the way to the upside. That is from the higher time frame. Dogs USDT 1 day chart. Dogs is one of the airdrop that did very well. Okay. And if you look at this very chart, market has dropped all the way to the downside, which is common with a lot of new token. After every listing, market will shoot upward, and then we have dramatic move all the way to the downside for correction, which is normal. But one thing very important on dogs here is that we've seen this very bottom, and this is a bottom that we need to pay attention to, especially if you want to consider buying dogs or if you are holding dogs already in your portfolio. So from this very level of support, market is going to move upward. That is my own projection from this technical outlook. Market is going to move upward. So the best time to buy is right now. And if you are holding, this is the point that we should expect market to begin to move upward on dogs. And that is what you need to pay attention to as well on your chart. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that market is coming out of overbought condition, which is a sign that market is going to have a little retracement to the downside, like in this formation, before the market will come all the way upward. And that is what you need to pay attention to. But one thing very important about this very technical analysis is that if you notice, when the market was moving upward all the way from this very point of oversold condition on the RSI indicator from here to the upside, market was not moving on dogs, which means it's a sign that momentum is about to come into this price chart. Nevertheless, this very movement downward is not a call for panic, because market is not going to crash all the way to the downside, as we can see on the indicator. Remember, we are not following indicator to trade. We are using it for confirmation on our technical setup, and this is what you must have to keep your eye on if you are holding dogs, or if you want to take a position on dog in the next 2 to 3 days for your trading. And this is what I am now expecting. Market is going to move upward on dogs from here moving forward. Not only that, if you look at dogs right here and you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, from this very point, market move from here upward. If you look at the Fibonacci retracement tool here, the market have retraced below this very line of 0.786 of the Fibonacci retracement tool. It is a pointer that market is going to, from this very point, move upward, because this serves as a base for support for the market to move upward. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now on this very chart. Keep your eye on this, because market is going to move upward on dogs from this technical standpoint, and also from the setup we are seeing from price action. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys. Hamster price analysis, BTC USDT price analysis, and also Pepe USDT price analysis, and finally dogs USDT price analysis. Join our Telegram channel. I will leave a link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment. Join for more compelling technical analysis like this and other crypto updates. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.